guys, it's Josh from Marfin Cosplay. I just wanted to give a little update video on basically how the channel's going and what I've been doing over the past 6-8 months that I've not uploaded. So yeah, I originally wanted to start this channel as more of like a tutorial thing, but I think I'm going to take it more in the direction of update vlogs and maybe tutorials if it comes to that. I just have a hard time like stopping to film and then going back to it and stopping to film and going back to it again. So yeah, I think I'm going to do more of update vlogs on what I am working on rather than straightforward tutorials. You can follow along, but it's not going to be step by step by step by step. As for what I've been working on, I started a Darth Vader helmet. See, this one's in pieces. I do want to reprint this because it's in 20 different pieces, and getting all that sanded down has been super difficult. So I want to get it back and cut it into maybe 4 or 5, so it's more manageable. This part came out pretty good though. So I got started sanding on it yesterday. Hopefully I'm worthy enough to wield this. I don't know. One of my new printers says I am, so yeah. It's pretty hefty too. The top part's about 3 pounds, and then on the end of the handle, that's alright. It's got a threaded rod in here, so it's pretty sturdy as well. This is one of the things that I've really been looking forward to showing off. I just got it clear coated and it's all shiny and nice. I got this from, I believe I got this from Do3D, as well as the Mjolnir. Got a Dark Souls Estus flask that I printed on my Ender 3. It's a unscrew lid. A new Coca-Cola bottle. The cap that comes off. The entire Wobbajack from Skyrim. This is printed between almost all of my printers. I got a couple new ones at once. I wanted to challenge myself to 3D print this mask in less than a day. And between all 5 of them, I was able to get it done. And it came out looking pretty well. I did accidentally glue this too far down, and I had to cut it off and re-glue it on. But you can't tell unless you're looking for it. I do have to glue these parts on though, because there's some fabric that goes between them. As far as my new big project for 2021, I decided I was gonna pick my power armor project back up. And so far, this is what I got printed. This is the start of the shoe, and this thing's gonna be massive. I'm gonna be at least 7 feet tall wearing this. And it's gonna have electronics, it's gonna have motors, it's gonna have lights, it's gonna be great. And I think it's gonna be really fun to build. But yeah, that's what I've been up to, and I'm hoping to upload more. Like, I don't want to go another 8 months without uploading again. I want to upload at least monthly. I want to try to get into uploading maybe bi-weekly or even weekly, but between working 3rd shift and this, then that's kind of hard. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like the video, leave a comment down below, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.